Okay, this is just the coolest thing for anybody that travels a lot or lives in a van. And it is a really cute color. You can see here, it'll wash and agitate your clothing. So if you're just doing one person, it's great to do your small loads or your delicates. It has a handle. It came with a bonus hanger for hanging your clothes to dry. And it folds down nice and compact so it doesn't take up a lot of space. Isn't that awesome? So fantastic, really thoughtful design. Love it.
Wall adapter.
Okay, here I have this portable washing machine. It is super cute. It works very well. I bought it to clean my son's mask, and you can use it for socks and small items, maybe a shirt, some maybe one or two shirts in there, and underwear that you need to wash, fast. It is great for small apartments. It works really good. I need to cover it. I just want to show you how it works. The only thing you have to do is press the button here and it will start. It comes with suction cups underneath, so you can leave it there and it won't come on. As you can see, I'm trying to move it won't. It has the plug here to drink the water. Then the power supply that is over there connected right now. It also comes with a handle. Great for camping or when you travel. It also includes this one here, so you can put your clothes to dry. The instructions. So really nice and pretty easy to use portable mini washing machine.
So far so good. I've been using this for 3 times for my dog's reusable diaper. So it's got 6 pieces there, a small size with dog.